In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move passwords from LastPass to Nordpass. We'll keep this clear and straightforward by focusing on the essential action you need right now, exporting your data from LastPass so it's ready to bring into your new password manager. Before we begin, make sure you're on a trusted computer and using a secure network since you'll be handling sensitive information. If you use multi-factor authentication with LastPass, have your device nearby and be prepared to enter your master password when prompted. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your LastPass vault. If you aren't already signed in, log in as you normally would. Once you're in the vault, look to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. There, find and open Advanced Options. The wording or placement can vary slightly depending on interface updates, but it's typically labeled clearly. If you don't see it immediately, expand the sidebar or look for a Settings or More Options area until Advanced Options becomes visible. Inside Advanced Options, choose Export. When you click Export, LastPass may ask you to confirm your identity for security reasons. This can include entering your master password again or approving a multi-factor prompt. After confirmation, LastPass will prepare a file containing your saved items. This export usually comes as a CSV file, which is a simple text format that many password managers can read. When your browser prompts you to save the file, choose a location you control and will remember. Your desktop or a dedicated migration folder can work well. Consider giving the file a clear temporary name and note where it's stored. Keep in mind that a CSV export is unencrypted and may include usernames, passwords, and notes in plain text. Treat it carefully. Don't email it, don't upload it to cloud drives, and avoid opening it in online editors. If you do preview it locally, close it when you're done and don't leave it sitting open. That's it for exporting. You now have a single file that contains your saved credentials from LastPass. This file is what you'll use to complete the move into Nordpass using its import feature. Once you've finished importing on the Nordpass side, come back and securely delete the CSV from your computer and empty your recycle bin or trash to remove any remnants. If you keep backups, make sure this file doesn't get included. With your export safely created and stored, you're ready for the next step of your migration. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to double check that your export file is saved where you expect before you proceed.